If you've ever struggled to get your team on the same page about how much work a feature really takes, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to run a collaborative, bias-free estimation session using Agile Planning Poker in Jira, even though Jira doesn't natively support it. I'm going to show you how to set up everything, why each step matters, and how you can save your team a ton of headaches and arguments. During sprint planning, let's dive right in. Now, the first thing you need to know is that Jira on its own doesn't include a planning poker tool. But don't worry, you can easily add this feature by installing an app from the Jira marketplace. There are several great options. AgileBox and Easy Agile are both popular choices that integrate seamlessly with your Jira projects. To do this, head over to the Jira marketplace. Think of it like your phone's app store. Search for Planning Poker, pick your preferred app, and follow the prompts to install it. This step is crucial because these apps are designed specifically for Agile estimation, letting your team collaborate right where your work lives. If your company already has a licensing process for Jira apps, this might take a minute, but your Jira admin can usually help with approvals if you're not able to install apps yourself. Once you've got the app installed, it's time to set up your first planning poker game. Inside Jira, look for your installed app's planning poker feature. It should be right in the sidebar or under an apps menu. Go ahead and create a new game or session. Here, where you choose which backlog issues you want your team to estimate. Maybe it's all the unestimated tickets for your upcoming sprint or just a few candidate features for discussion. Select them directly from your backlog, super straightforward. Next, invite your team members. Most apps let you pull your existing Jira users right in, so there's no need to email links around or manage an extra list. By setting up your session this way, you're ensuring everyone in the team has visibility, and you keep all your planning data safely tied to your Jira workflow, instead of scattered in separate tools. When your session is set, it's time for the real teamwork, the estimation itself. Start the game and you'll see a set of cards. These represent story points, just like physical planning poker cards you might have used in the past. Each team member picks a card in secret based on their understanding of the work involved. This blind voting is key. It helps eliminate bias and ensures every voice is equally heard, even if some folks feel less confident. Once everyone's made their pick, you reveal all the votes simultaneously. Don't worry if the estimates are all over the map on the first try, that's normal. The main point here is to foster conversation. If one person thinks that a new login page is a 2 and someone else thinks it's a 13, you'll want to pause and discuss why. Often, someone has spotted a risk or dependency the rest missed, and this is your chance to build a shared understanding. Once the team has had that conversation and you've all agreed on a fair estimate, save the final result. Most planning poker apps will automatically update the story point field on the original Jira issue, which is a huge time saver. No need to manually copy numbers and your estimates stay in sync. From there, you can simply move on to the next issue and repeat the process, keeping the momentum going, and that's it. You've just turned what could be a painful, drawn-out debate into a fast, collaborative, and even fun planning session all within Jira. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share how your team does estimations, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Make sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.